Let me show you around our custom accounting software that we've built for Hey Monika. It's called MoniLedger, and something that's really important for us to do when we are giving you these work experience simulations is to give you a safe space to do the accounting work so that you don't have to touch any real accounts, but you realize what is involved in the accounting month-end work or whatever it is Hey Monika has set you as a challenge to work through. So right now I'm in the accounting software MoniLedger for the Vanessa Phoenix, who is one of our new scenarios. We're building this around a limited company, turning over about 800,000 a year. She runs an agency business and she's got subcontractors, employees. She provides services. She invoices her clients. And what we do in this particular scenario, which will be released very soon, it's currently in quality assurance review right now on the 19th of July when I'm recording this. So it should be available on your scenario dashboard very, very soon. But what we're doing in this particular scenario is we're taking on some messy accounts. So I'm in the bank feed right now, and you'll see that the client has matched some transactions, but she hasn't finished August. It's actually November right now. We need to file the VAT return, and the VAT return is one of the things that you will be filing as well while you're working through this particular scenario. So there are lots of transactions that we can match off, which is great news. There are also some that she has reconciled. There are also some that she has incorrectly reconciled. So when we get down to her payroll and we get later into the scenario and we're doing a review of the P&L, what you will find is that there are some payments to some of her staff which have been coded straight to salaries. So I need to undo those, and I actually need to go in and I need to post a payroll journal so that I can code those correctly. So we're able to give you experience of things like that. I can also go into the journal screen where I can post journals. I can actually see that my client has posted a journal to clear her director's loan account and move that balance into the bank. Obviously, that's something we don't want her to do, so we might want to go in and reverse that journal. I can run my reports, so I can review the P&L. I can see the details of her sales. When we get questions later on about, why have her sales dropped so much, I can then go into the sales ledger. I can review the invoices, some of which are awaiting payment still, some of which are in draft. And if I want to, I can go in and I can actually send those invoices off. I can approve them so they get pulled into the P&L. I can also edit invoices if I want to. So if I decide this needs to be coded differently, or if this is actually for a different amount, where I need to change the VAT rate, I can change those as well. I can raise credit notes in the system, and we've got these moving graphs that show us what's actually happening to sales right now, what's been paid, what's unpaid, what's awaiting payment, that kind of thing. We've also got the balance sheet, so I can go in and I can look at the balance sheet. I can compare this side by side, and when I've completed her VAT return and I'm happy and I've reviewed it, I can actually file that VAT return to HMRC, fake HMRC, just for the accounting software. We've also got access in here to the finance inbox for our client. We know that when you're working in an accounting role, you often have access to a finance inbox with various bits of information about the business, the finance, the expenditure, the income, queries from clients, customers, that kind of thing. So this is useful for you as well in terms of building out that full picture of what's actually happened in the accounts. We've got an email from a client here who says, oh my gosh, I know you haven't invoiced me yet. Don't stress. I've sent some money over just so you know. So when I go into the bank account, I can actually see that money has arrived. And I realise that I can't actually reconcile that until I've sent the client an invoice, wherever it is. There's £540 here somewhere at the end of October, I think. So what we're trying to do here is give you a very realistic view of what it's like to be working in someone's accounts. We've also got rules set up. Sometimes those rules are wrong. So we've got a Zoom communications rule set up here, and you can see that it actually looks like it's going to the right place, but I might want to check the VAT rate on that. I can change my rules if I want to. If I decided there was no VAT for some reason, I could save that rule, and then that rule is going to apply in my bank feed when I'm going in and working on those transactions. So there's lots of exciting things that we're doing right now. It's not just about giving you these questions to work through. We're trying to create the environment so you don't have to set anything up. You can just click on the button, get started straight away, and you can see your progress. I think we've added some nice little features you might like to see in your accounting software in real life as well. The other thing I wanted to share with you, which I think is a really exciting development, is that we now have the option for you to save your progress. So you have this little sticky, takes you into settings. If you want to at any point, you can click the button, you can download a file with your progress so far. You can also restore your progress. So if you decide to take a break from Hey Monika, maybe you've got through section 1 and you need a lunch break, or you're not going to come back to it till the weekend, you can save your progress, which means that you can come back in and you can restore your work from a saved file, which means that you can pick up where you left off. And what this also means is, for us, we can give you examples of where we were up to at those particular points in the scenario. So if you want to compare your work to ours, you can see exactly what we've done. I hope that's helpful. I hope you enjoy using the MoniLedger in some of our scenarios. So right now you'll see this in our 2 Adele scenarios, Adele's month end, her year end, and also in the Heidi, the Seaside Shed scenario. She runs a cafe. She also sells online. And we also have coming very, very soon, Vanessa Phoenix with her business, her agency business, the Deskless Phoenix. So look out for that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what we've missed, and I will see you soon.